Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Edge 30 has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our SIM card slot, and it should be located somewhere around this place on the bottom of our phone. It's right here. Now let's try accessing it with our needle. So it's opened. Now we can take it out. And let's see, so right here we can see one, and there's two, and that's basically the dual SIM slot. So that means Motorola Edge 30 has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.